Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 13th July 2024. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, through notification number 12/2024, Central Tax, dated July 10, 2024, has introduced a new optional facility allowing registered taxpayers to amend details in Form GSTR1 for a tax period and/or declare additional details before filing the return in Form GSTR3B. This amendment aims to streamline the process for registered taxpayers, ensuring accurate and timely filing of returns. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs has issued notification number 12/2024, Central Tax, dated July 10, 2024, to further amend Rule 142 of the CGST rules. This amendment, effective from July 10, 2024, specifies the procedures for handling voluntary tax payments made by registered taxpayers and outlines the process for issuing orders and acknowledgements by the proper officer. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs issued notification number 12/2024, Central Tax, dated July 10, 2024. This notification, exercised under the powers conferred by Section 164 of the CGST Act, introduces a new proviso to Sub-Rule 1 of Rule 62 of the CGST rules, which affects the filing deadlines for taxpayers under the composition levy scheme. The newly inserted proviso states, provided that the return in Form GSTR4 for a financial year from financial year 2024-25 onwards shall be required to be furnished by the registered person till the 30th day of June following the end of such financial year. Bank credit grew 14% while deposits grew only 11% year on year, highlighting concerns over asset-liability mismatches. RBI emphasizes the need for banks to address the gap. The RBI governor stresses the importance of maintaining a balance between assets and liabilities. In its efforts to crack down on unsolicited stock recommendations and advisors, the Securities and Exchange Board of India has issued warning letters to around 20 unauthorized investment advisors since May. The market regulator's actions come at a time when it's trying to draw sharp lines between registered advisors and those giving stock recommendations without any authorization. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.